Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the default duration for new events in calendar on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on calendar. Next, in here, we go down and tap on duration for new events. Now, by default, it is set to 1 hour. You could select a different duration period. So here we got 15 minutes, 25 minutes, all the way up to 2 hours. So select a time period that you would like to use. So here you can choose 2 hours. So if you normally have your meeting for 2 hours period, you can set it to the default 2 hours. And after, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.